Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you are well. आप अच्छे होगे, स्वस्थ होगे. So today in conclusion of this chapter, I will repeating all things what we have already learnt in this chapter. Okay? As you know, in this chapter's name is going to school. So in this chapter we have know how children are reaching the school in different ways. Okay, let us see. There are mountains. India has different physical features like mountains, rivers, desert, hills, deep dark jungles, iceland, etc. Because of which children face hardship to reach school. In our country there are mountains and many places like Assam and Kerala. There you will find different water bodies where either they have to cross this water body through bridge or by using boat. Okay, so and also this got heavy rainfall. जैसे असम है, इसमें सालों पानी गिरते रहती है, कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है. तो ऐसे जो स्टेट्स हैं वहां के बच्चे स्कूल जाने के लिए आइदर दे यूज बोट्स और दे क्रॉस ब्रिज. ओके, एंड आल्सो देयर आर माउंटेन्स. सो यू नो व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ रोड will be that? Yes, you have already written about this. Mountains, there are rocky path. There will be big stones, rocks. Okay, so in that area student also go to school. Let us see one by one. Okay, vallam. Let us first know vallam. What is a vallam? A small wooden boat. What is a vallam? A small wooden boat means a boat which is made by wooden. Okay, in some parts of Kerala children use a vallam to reach school. Some parts of Kerala children use a vallam to reach school. You think why they are using this vallam? Why they are using vallam? Yes, because in Kerala you will get a lot of water body. Either that may be a drain, नाला हो सकता है, या small ponds. So are big lake also there are, pond, तालाब हो सकते हैं, झील हो सकते हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे वाटर बॉडी आपको केरला में मिल जाएंगे. एंड स्टूडेंट हैव टू क्रॉस दीज वाटर बॉडीज, सो दे यूज वल्लम टू क्रॉस दीज वाटर बॉडीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट बम्बू ब्रिज. इसके बारे में आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. Where bamboo bridge is used? Yes, bamboo bridge is used in Assam. Why in Assam? Because Assam got heavy rains. In Assam it rains so much that sometimes there is knee-high water everywhere. Children use bamboo bridge to reach school. So to cross these water bodies, the people of that state made this type of bamboo bridge. Okay, this is not a permanent bridge, this is just a temporary. Temporary means एक कुछ समय के लिए ही बना रहता है, उसके बाद या तो बम्बू खराब हो जाते हैं, रोप इसमें जो लगे रहते हैं दे सड़ जाते हैं, और ये फिर इसको हटाकर दूसरा बना लिया जाता है. सो दिस इज नॉट परमानेंट ब्रिज. Okay, so bamboo bridge, where it is used? It is used in Assam. The trolley, Ladakh. In Ladakh, children have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. Wide and deep. It is very deep. In that area, rivers are very deep. So it is not possible to make a bridge. Bridge बनाना possible नहीं है, कोई बड़े बड़े पोल बनाना पड़ेगा और ये बड़े पोल उतने स्ट्रांग रहेंगे कि नहीं, इसलिए इन जगहों में क्या किया जाता है? चिल्ड्रन यूज ट्रॉली, वहां के बच्चे ट्रॉली यूज करते हैं. देयर इज ए स्ट्रांग आयरन रोप अक्रॉस द रिवर. सपोज दिस इज रिवर एंड बोथ साइड्स आर माउंटेन. सो व्हाट, यहां पे एक पोल रहेगा एंड वन पोल दिस साइड एंड स्ट्रांग आयरन रोप अक्रॉस द रिवर. ऑन बोथ साइड it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. Either they are tied with trees or rocks. इनको किससे बांधे जाते हैं? या तो मजबूत पेड़ों से या फिर रॉक से, चट्टानों से, है ना. There is a trolley attached with the rope. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. So in trolley there are two materials are used. One is trolley and second one is pulley. और इनके बारे में आपको ऑलरेडी बताया जा चुका है ना. ट्रॉली क्या होती है? an open box made of wood, and pulley a wheel with grooved rim around which a rope passes. पुल्ली और इनके बारे में तो आपको बताया जा चुका है ना. तो इसी के थ्रू एक ट्रॉली रिवर के एक साइड से दूसरे साइड क्रॉस करती है. ठीक है. You can see the trolley. This is trolley and this is pulley. Correct? This is pulley. Here pulley is used and this is strong iron rope and this is trolley. You can see also in this picture students are crossing the river. Camel cart or Rajasthan. In Rajasthan there is a sand all around. It is a desert area. You know, Rajasthan is a desert area. Everywhere there are desert, and you know that desert gets very hot in the day. Sand gets very hot in the day. Very hot and very early. बहुत जल्दी ये गर्म हो जाते हैं. And in that way, children have to reach the Vidyalaya. Children go to school by camel cart. A camel can move easily on the sand. Camel is called the sheep of the desert, and for this you already know about it कि camel को क्या बोला जाता है? sheep of the desert. You have seen this type of camel cart. Jugaad. Next one is Jugaad. In Gujarat, children go to school by an innovative vehicle called Jugaad. The Jugaad has been made by putting together parts from other vehicles or machines. For example, tires, engine, wooden parts from different things. It sounds fat fat fat. Means it is made by two things. ये कई जो वेस्ट मटेरियल हो जा रहे थे उनसे भी जुगाड़ करके बनाई जाती है ना. यू कैन सी हियर. लुक एट दिस. दिस इज अ मोटरसाइकिल एंड दिस इज मेड बाय वुडन लाइक अ ट्रॉली, है ना. तो इस तरह से कई चीजों को मिला के इसको बनाया गया है. वन मोटरसाइकिल एंड वन ट्रॉली, दोनों को कनेक्ट कर दिया गया एंड नाउ दिस बिकम जुगाड़. ठीक है. तो इस तरह से जुगाड़ का यूज करते हैं कहाँ? इट इज यूज्ड इन गुजरात। प्लेन एरिया, लेट्स, you have already know that our India has different physical features like mountains, rivers, desert, hill, deep dark jungle, iceland. So till now what we have learned? First we will know about Vallam, that means how we cross rivers, then mountains in Ladakh where we use trolley, and in river we use Vallam. Then desert area, yes, in desert area we use camel cart. Okay, now hills also here we use trolley, and then deep dark jungle and Iceland, these are left now. And currently we are reading about plain area, that is also a physical feature of India, plain area. Okay, so in plain area, in plains children ride bicycles. Okay, in plains children ride bicycles on the long road. It is easy to ride bicycles on road, as you can see in this picture. Girls enjoying riding bicycles way to their schools. You can see in the picture, look at how girls are riding bicycles and going to their school or college school. Okay, somewhere children also use bullock cart to reach school. तो जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, they cannot ride bicycle, so for them that children use bullock cart, okay, to reach the school. ठीक है? Now forest, many features have been happened, mountain, hills, rivers, है ना? Now we are coming to the forest. India has thick forest, very thick forest. In some parts of India there is deep and thick forest. Children have to cross the forest to reach school. During their journey they can hear the sounds of different birds and wild animals. Okay, in our country there are different types of forest. There is also deep and thick forest. In this neither we can ride bicycles, nor we can use bullock cart or camel cart or any other vehicles. So here we have to just go by our feet and cross the jungle. Also it is danger that many times we may be attacked by any वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. कोई जंगली जानवर हमें कभी भी हम पर अचानक अटैक कर सकता है ना? Okay, now let's know about differentiate between cement bridge and bamboo bridge. Okay, cement bridge and bamboo bridge. It is made up of iron rods and cement. You know that cement bridge is made by iron rod, cement, brick and many things, rock like this. But bamboo bridge is made up of bamboo and rope only. To build a bamboo bridge we required only bamboo and rope. But to make cement bridge it is required iron rod, cement, brick, etc. So you think that it is very much strong. So in this way we can say cement bridge is very strong bridge, where it is less strong than the cement bridge. In cement bridge you can ride bicycles, You can also enjoy car riding, but in bamboo bridge you can only walk. You cannot drive heavy vehicles. आपने रोड्स पे देखा होगा जो सीमेंट ब्रिज बने रहते हैं उसमें बड़े बड़े ट्रक वगैरह भी क्रॉस करते हैं. बट whether it is possible in a bamboo bridge that a truck can pass? No. यदि ट्रक पास करेगा तो वहीं पे वो बम्बू ब्रिज टूटकर गिर सकता है ना. The durability of the bridge is long. Where? For bamboo bridge, the durability of the bridge is short. Why? It is permanent bridge. एक बार आपने बना दिया तो more than 50 to 60 years टिके रहता है. But bamboo bridge is only for 1 to 5 years. एक साल और कहीं पे अच्छा से बना दिया गया है तो 2 साल 3 साल तक ये रह सकता है. बट कुछ सालों के बाद 1-2 साल के बाद उसको हटा के दूसरा बनाना पड़ता है ना. इस तरह से so these are the difference between a cement bridge and a bamboo bridge. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.